Hi everyone. So a few days back I created a video where I explained how you can add custom method to built-in data types such as string and number. In this video we're going to do the same thing but for arrays. So let's get started. First of all, we need to create an index file here. Let's have a basic HTML structure and a link to the style sheet. Add a script file at the bottom. That will be script.js. We need a button element here. Let's make it unique, and a paragraph element. Let's leave it empty for now. Save it, create a style sheet here. Select the body element. The display will be flex. Flex direction will be column. Justify content will be, it should be line items, not justify content. It should be center. Also gap will be around 10 pixels. Select button element. Padding will be 5 pixel and 10 pixel. Select the paragraph element. Let's make the font size around 30 pixels. Save it. Let's create a script file here. Select the button element as well as the paragraph element. So let's make it btn unique. Select the paragraph element. Let's make it p. Need a variable. Let's make it my array. It will contain a bunch of names. Let's make it Peter, James, Ronnie, Mark. Let's repeat the James again. Peter, and let's make it Tom. Now we'll display this list in the paragraph element. So we'll use p.innerText and we'll simply join it by the new line character like this. Now just save it. Open this file in the browser. So this is the output. So by looking over the layout, you already understood what we are trying to achieve here. When I will click on this unique button, I would like to remove the duplicates. For that, we need to add a built-in method to the arrays. Currently, there is no built-in method that will remove duplicates from the array, but we'll do so. So let's go to code editor and add that method for the arrays. First of all, we need to add a event listener here to the button. Event will be click. This will be the handler function. I would like to update the text, or you can say the list. So basically I will call this unique method on the array. As I said, there's no unique method. We need to create this method. Let me create it here. So it will go like this: array.prototype unique, and we'll assign a function to it like this. Inside this function, we'll utilize the set object. So let's create a variable mySet and assign a new set to it. And we are passing this here. This simply represent this array. Okay. The benefit of using set here is that it will remove any duplicates in this array. So you will have a set with the unique items. Now the problem here is we need to convert this set back into array. For that, we'll simply use a spread operator like this and return this mySet. That's all you have to do to have the unique values. Now just save it and go to the browser. Now click on this unique button. Seems the formatting is a little messed up. Let's use join here. Let's go to the browser. Click, and this is the output. You can see now we are having only unique items. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.